Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Ariane, and I go by Iris O'Curley on all my social media platforms. And I am a nurse, and I'm working on the front lines. I am just coming in to extend my thank you to the companies that have showed their appreciation towards nurses, essential workers, doctors, and truck drivers. Big Lots, Dollar General, Rallies, and McDonald's. McDonald's actually gave a thank you note. It says, Dear first responders and healthcare workers, thank you for being you. Courageous you, selfless you, brave you. Please accept this thank you meal as a small token of our appreciation. You are the heroes working to bring a better tomorrow. For that, we are grateful. Your local McDonald's owner and operator. And I thought that was like special and extra added touch towards just the free meal. So for that, I thank you and I say you're welcome. Also, Ipsy posted a request for healthcare workers to go ahead and request a free gift from them to help ease and relax some of the healthcare workers. And I did apply and I finally got my package today. So I want to say thank you, Ipsy, and I will be opening it now. So this is Ipsy. So I have my pink. It's inspired Ipsy. And so this packaging is simple yet cute. It says discover yourself, Ipsy. And this is my first time receiving a package from Ipsy, period. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing I see is this juiced up pumpkin mask. And it's juiced up tomato mask. And I really just need to get my mask game up. So thank you, Ipsy. I don't know if you could tell, but your girl has a situation up there. But we're going to just hide it with the hair, you know. So this is a cute makeup bag, travel bag. And I really did need another one. So thank you. So they also enclosed a card, and I'm just like one for personalization. Like like I feel like if you go put forth the effort to like send a thank you card or something like that, then it means so much more. So it says, let us care for you. You are our hero, and your incredible bravery in the face of COVID-19 is nothing short of inspiring. We believe self-care is more important than ever. So we hope this package will bring a bit of delight to your day. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Ipsy, take care. This is so cute. This is so cute. I don't know if you can get it. I think that's so cute. It's so cute. This is something that I would keep. Um, this is something that I will keep. Thank you, Ipsy. This is so cute. And then there's pure Brazilian daily anti-frizz serum leave-in treatment for stronger, healthier looking hair. So that's a serum. That's so cute. Daily lip nourisher in mango and health in shea butter. Mango and shea butter. And this is a hydrating, healing, petroleum free lip balm. This is cute. This is something that I, for one, would need. Yeah, this is Mud Masky. It's a facial detox purifying recovery mask. This is cute. It's pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and smoothing. And your girl is gonna be 30 years old this year. So anti-aging, anything that say anti-aging, I think I'm gonna start having to need. So that's cute. There's a makeup remover wipe from Soapbox. It's fragrance free. There's two of those. Okay, and that's it. I'm so thankful and happy for all the companies that have extended their appreciation. And from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you and you're welcome. And we're not done with fighting. Let's continue to wash our hands and wear masks and stay home if you have to. Thank you.